Hi. Welcome back to my life. It's summer, and yeah, that's all you need to know. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. Well, because one, it's summer and I am bored as fuck. Two, I really wanted to do something like this because I would use an iPhone and I've worked with MacBooks and all that such. And I really, like, fucking love MacBooks. Probably wondering how I'm gonna do this or what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and install macOS on an old ass computer that I have, and I will show it to you right now. It is busted. Yeah, it looks destroyed. There's a little piece of tape on there because hackers and stuff like that. I don't know. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get a computer. I actually do have. I don't know why I use a Chromebook, but the reason I actually use this, the reason I want to use that computer as a macOS computer is because I had this computer for like a couple of years already, and I installed Windows 7 on it, and it completely fucked up. Kill me. First thing I'm gonna do is sign in to my computer that is literally destroyed. I'm just kidding. It actually isn't destroyed. I'll show it to you. I have some tabs opened up, but I'm gonna go into an incognito tab because reasons. So here goes nothing. From the previous videos that I've created, well, the only video I ever fucking created, I have the Star Wars thing cause reasons, and also incognito because hackers, because never mind the FBI, and I do not have my thing like covered because I am way too lazy to go ahead and take the shit off of that and put it onto here because that computer's more hacked than this one. So what are we gonna do for? Oh yeah, I forgot. We're gonna look up. There it is. Cause that's not the right thing. That is not the right thing I want. Let's see how to install macOS High Sierra on a PC. And the computer that I actually have is a HP Touchsmart 600. And hold on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna look up the HP. Oh my god, I wanna die, y'all. Oh, I can't even spell. Look, it is 2009, if my camera will focus. 2009, y'all. This computer is old. My camera cannot focus, and I'm using an iPhone. There it is. This, yeah, that's something. That's something, y'all. And, oh my god, that shit costs over $1,000. Fuck. Look, oh, now it's like $30 shit like that. Well, that's on eBay, because eBay has so much of shit on there. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. This also has an Intel, so the thing that I tried before had something called, what the hell is it called? So this will probably work because my computer actually, that computer over there has an Intel based thing, so it should work. I do not know. Yeah, guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. This is what I'm gonna try and do. So, yeah, this is gonna be fun as hell. And, yeah, let's see if this works. I know it's not going to because I've done it before. Here goes. I'm gonna, like, cut a bunch. Ew. I'm gonna cut a bunch because the video where I install a bunch of shit is it's very long. The video I found is like 20 minutes long, so I'm gonna cut a bunch of stuff out. I will leave I'll try to leave the important stuff. Probably won't, but we can try. A minute into this video, yeah, and I was like, you know what? Hold on, let me just I'm just that. So I'm a minute into this video, and I'm looking at all these things, and like I gotta do even more stuff. Like I gotta create a virtual macOS virtual machine on this computer. Like, guys, what the fuck? I have the video up because reasons, and there are what the fuck? I can't even get it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So there are these things, and now I have them open. So this is gonna be fun. Where are we now? The floor. Because that's where my computer is set up. Seriously. So this huge thing right here goes to this computer right here, which is some pirated Windows 7. This is a little bit of my setup. The charger so my Chroma doesn't die, and then my charger so my phone doesn't die. So yeah, this will be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and time-lapse this because nobody wants to go ahead and watch 20 minutes of me literally searching the internet to see if this will work. So yeah. So we have something called progress. I would never know this because I never make progress in my life. So this is something, and I know this is going to destroy my computer. So guys, rip this computer. If comment below, RIP Touchsmart. If she breaks, I call it a she because you know genders. Sorry, it's 2018. We don't gotta have those genders. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So another time lapse cause reasons. I've gotten nothing done. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. First message did not work, because apparently my computer is all fucked up. It doesn't, yeah. We're just gonna exit out of this, because nobody wants you, but she don't wanna close. You see me doing this, right? What the hell? Do I gotta get the task manager up? Fine, this calls for the task manager. And okay, that's good. So now I have another one. This one should probably work because it's going to be in a virtual box. So I do have my flash drive. Oh, my hairy ass legs. I also have my flash drive up because that's what I'm going to go ahead, because this thing does not have internet. Because when I installed the pirated version of Windows 7, it took away the thing. So I have to literally go ahead and go off of LAN. So yeah. And it's funny is that this button right here, if I can look at it, this button right here, I cut myself. Right here, this one right here, used to bring like a screen up, like a splash screen, where it would be like, it would bring up, it's like oh my god, ew, my fucking fingers in the fucking way. It would be like the Touchsmart thing, and it would be like, okay, so let's see what you can do in this thing. And there's my function. I almost entirely forgot about this video. It's been 3 hours since the last time I looked at the time when I was starting this. I got very, very busy. I'm just kidding. I actually lied about that. I got very, very distracted. And yeah, I got on Instagram. I was on YouTube for like a good half while, and you know. Yeah. Let's continue. So I got hella off track because, it's 9 o'clock. Guys, I am very, very easy to distract. I'm gonna do this, y'all. I swear I'm gonna do this. Maybe not. I'm gonna fall asleep while doing this. Probably. I don't know. Yeah. Alright. Date. Alright. So, I got nothing done, and it is 1 o'clock in the mornings, and I am way too tired to do anything. I took some melatonin. If you don't know melatonin, did you fall asleep and shit like that? Yeah. Yeah, so you know what this means. I actually could not get this done, no matter like what options I did, or no matter how many tutorials I could have done. I was still like dying from that from that last clip. But yeah, no matter how many things I could have done, or how many sites, downloads and all that such that I could have done with my 10 GB Chromebook, there's no way I could have updated or upgraded my old 2009 HP Touchsmart 600 to Mac OS. But it's worth a try. Honestly, isn't that what people say? They're not going to try. I think I think it's just something before you try something, then you keep doing it again and again. I have no idea, but thank y'all for watching this video. It's gonna be hell to go ahead and edit it because there is so many fucking shit in here. So much fucking shit in here. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if you didn't like this video, didn't do any of the stuff I just said like 2 seconds ago, I'm tired as hell. It was 2 AM and I'm gonna have to go ahead and edit this. I'll probably edit it tomorrow because I'm lazy as fuck and I'm going to fall asleep. Also, yes, this is my bed. It's disgusting, right? But I mean, I'm 16, what do you expect? And it's summer. I have nothing to do, so it's just a bunch of shit in the background. My meds, lotion, a bunch of shit, my mask that I wear at night, or during the day too. There's literally a McDonald's cup on the floor. I will even pick it up. Yeah, I'm rambling, so I can make this video even longer, but doesn't matter. Thank y'all for watching. Yeah. Hope to see y'all next time. Bye.